What's up, guys? I was here first time playing Slay and let's try to get 5 likes if you want to see more videos like this one. No. Yeah, like I said, I want to say another thing. Thank you guys for helping reaching 60 subscribers. Yeah. Oh, that's 2 of them. I thought I was going to regular. Trying to make them trap into. No, I need to be careful because I'm too small for him. Come on. Yes. Now it's going to put this auto radius. There we go. I'm getting all these big knives so I can get under label real quick. Come on. Let's go. Oh. Look at all these people.
Freaking snowing, man. Freaking snowing. Hello? I have my ring on. Alright, that's cool.
We just got to him. 8th place now. Let's go.
What's that?
Wondering who I am. Oh, I didn't put no name. Oops. Oops, Daisy. Right now. I'll get them next when I'm done with you guys. The person first is 25,000 in size. We'll try to get past him. 7th place now. Let's go.
I got it modified, Mom.
I thought I died because I wasn't looking.
Yeah, well, Caitlin gets emancipated this year.
6.
Here in what, 2 months? She's emancipated here in like 2 months. She's 18.
Thank you. As soon as I kill this dude, I'm leaving this place. Oh, I'm forced. I'm trying not to die. Now let's get out of here.
So I was talking, when I went down for my modification, I was talking with the lady and I asked her if all the stipulations and stuff were the same. And she asked what I mean. I was like, well, I mean, before I asked, I had children with my wife. I had 4 of them. I said, and they never take into consideration of them. They just, and she told me, she said, yeah, she said,
I'm a third, let's go.
I think she said last week.
Okay, that helped me a lot.
We talked about that. She said, because some of us here at Child Support Agency, we don't think it's right, because if you got other kids, you're taking from them. It should be all equal. they should be taken into account too. But I doubt anything's ever done about that. It's like I told her, I said, last time I went in and I tried to fight it, I said something to him about that. He told me that, well, you're the one that decided to go out and have kids with other women, so you got to pay the consequences for them now. It's like, whatever.
Second. Okay. I died. Want to see more videos like this one? Make sure you subscribe. And like I said, thanks for the support. And see you guys next time. I'm out.